There were times when you want to talk to some of your friends to stay connected, but then some things go wrong, and then somehow you can't reach out. You tried all other stuffs now, but somehow you're not connected. You know there's something wrong. You don't know what it's all about. Just reach out for us, 'cause surely we will help you make it through. All the possibilities, we will present it all to you. If it's broken, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus.
Cell Plus. If it's broken, we can fix it.
Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus.
Cell Plus. If it's broken,